Welcome to Lincoln Way West Library, where students actively engage in schoolwork, activities, learning, research, and reading. Here are just some of the many reasons students use our library. The first is signing up to use the computers and to study during your advisory hours. Although things may change at different times of the year, let's hear from Jimmy about using the library.
When I need to get work done, I come to the library during advisory. Signing up for the library is easy. You can sign up before school or after school or during first or second period. Monday.
The second thing you can do is check out one of our 18,000 books in the collection. We're normally open from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., and you can get a book for 3 weeks before you need to renew it. Then just return the books to the library when you're done. You can look for books on the online catalog, on the library's website, and even place a hold. Request books based on your interest with our book match survey. Ask the librarian for book suggestions. Request books from libraries across Illinois. Read outside on a nice day. And there are even 3 new ebook collections this year. You can join one of our reading programs like Read for a Lifetime from the Illinois State Library. All you have to do is read 4 books from the list to receive all of the rewards. Watch out on our website and social media for the new list that will come out in the spring and when you can begin reading. All the resources are on our website and especially on our new library website. There's a maker space where you can try different tools like a 3D printer. Students use the library to record music and videos, so ask a librarian about being part of the podcast and check out some samples on the website. Let's hear from some students about creating these podcasts and videos.
Oh, hi, I'm just editing my Lincoln Way West podcast. The library is a great place to learn new editing skills, how to make a podcast. They're very fun. We can make a podcast about anything. Whenever somebody makes a new podcast in the library, we hear them out loud. Last year, my friend Kirsten and I made a podcast, and it was very fun, and we're very excited for this year to make a new one. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to stop by the library.
Here at the West Library, you have the video editing room at your disposal, where you can film your own videos or class projects by signing up for the library. As you can see, we have a green screen to use, where you can add any background you want, like outer space, McDonald's, or Rome. Once you have finished your video, you can learn and practice video editing skills.
And try out our new green screen wall. We love to have fun here at West Library, and every week we have some kind of activity for you to participate in. We've had special weeks based on popular books and weekly craft or learning activities. Things like the escape room and author events. We also love music at West Library, where we feature different performers on Friday mornings before school and often have open mics after school. Let's hear some music from one of our students.
If you can't find nothing at all, if there was nothing there all along. No, you can't find nothing at all, if there was nothing there all along.
West Library has a craft room where you can use the materials for class projects to expand your skills or just to take a break and relax. Let's hear from some former students about why they like the craft room.
This is the Lincoln Way West craft room, and the craft room is an enjoyable place where I like to spend a lot of my time because it just gives me a break from everything throughout the day, and I get to sit down for a second, make a craft or two. There's lots of things to choose from. You can make bracelets, keychains, necklaces. There's a whole bunch of stickers. There's all these fun papers that you can cut out and design, and it's super fun. I made a scrapbook in here once.
It's always there for if you just have a moment of free time and you don't have any homework you need to work on, but you just want to do something and be productive. Or if it's a holidays coming up, you can always just make a fast, cute little necklace or whatever, and it'll be cute and sentimental, and it's just really fun. Just a moment to get away, talk to your friends, and make a little craft.
Watch for our workshops and visit the library to learn a new craft. Your librarian is available to help you online or in person with research assistance. Use one of our many databases to get quality journal articles for your assignments. You can request the passwords from your teacher. Let's hear from Shannon about using the library for research.
Hi, Mrs. Roman. I'm writing a paper in English and I have to use sources and I'm not sure where to start.
Have you looked at the library databases yet? Databases? Library databases. Let's see. Oh my god, I found the perfect resource. Here at the West Library, I have used all of the databases and they have proved to be reliable, ample sources.
And that's not all you'll find at West Library. We have many other resources and activities available throughout the year. So keep up with us on Instagram at LW West Library. And make sure that you join the fun too. We'll see you soon.